Soil regeneration using mulching with weed mulching. Mulching is a powerful and sustainable technique used in agriculture and gardening to regenerate soil health, suppress weeds, retain moisture, and boost productivity. One natural and accessible form of mulching involves cutting weeds and using them as a protective ground cover. Here's how it works and why it's effective. Seedling. What is mulching? Mulching is the practice of covering the soil surface with organic or inorganic materials. In regenerative agriculture, organic mulches are preferred because they decompose and enrich the soil. Common organic mulches include straw, grass clippings, leaves, compost, weeds, yes, when used correctly. Sheaf of rice. Weed mulching, a farmer's practice. Step-by-step process. 1. Selective cutting of weeds. Farmers identify unwanted vegetation, weeds, growing in or around crop fields. Instead of removing them completely, they cut them down before they go to seed. This prevents further weed spread. 2. Spreading over the soil. The cut weeds are laid on the ground around crops or across bare soil. This layer mimics natural forest floors where plant material constantly falls and decomposes. 3. Decomposition begins. As the weeds break down, they release nutrients back into the soil, acting like a slow-release fertilizer. The process also feeds microorganisms and earthworms, which improve soil structure. Globe showing Europe-Africa benefits of using weeds as mulch. Benefit. How it helps regeneration. Moisture retention reduces evaporation, keeping roots hydrated. Weed suppression covers soil to block sunlight for new weed growth. Soil temperature control shields from extreme heat and cold. Organic matter addition improves fertility and microbial life. Erosion prevention protects soil from wind and rain damage. Bug ecological bonus. Supports biodiversity, mulching with natural materials, flax, etc. Carbon sequestration. Organic mulches promote carbon storage in the soil, a key climate solution. Warning. Things to watch out for. Avoid seeding weeds. Ensure weeds haven't gone to seed before cutting, or they may germinate and spread. Thickness. Apply a layer that's thick enough, 2 to 4 inches, but not so thick that it smothers young crops. Toxic weeds. Some plants, like black walnut or certain invasive species, may release chemicals that inhibit other plants. Use with cutting. Using weeds as mulch is a simple art of permaculture and regenerative farming systems. Turns a problem, weeds, into a solution, fertile, living soil. It's a classic example of working with nature, not against it. Don't forget to subscribe to House of Farmers for more